They both say it's impossible. But you decide.
Hello, I am Chad Peterson. I am the CEO of Peterson Acquisitions from the United States.
Where there's no passion, there's no profit.
In my line of work, brokeraging business deals, I make the tough calls. Every day, people come to me and rely on my guidance to buy or sell companies, making the biggest financial decisions of their lives. I am the guy who always knows the right choice. But when it came to my own hair, I made a bad investment. In the past, I trusted the wrong clinic. They damaged my donor area and left the job completely unfinished.
After a hair transplant in the United States, Chad didn't gain hair. He lost even more. For Chad, losing his hair was like losing a finger.
And somebody said, hey, I can get your finger back.
Today is Operation Day. Before the procedure begins, Chad meets with the medical team for his final consultation.
You know, your donor area, the grafts are mostly the single ones. I don't know why.
But as the examination unfolds, the doctors discover an unexpected challenge.
You are not Norwood 4, you are Norwood 7.
A patient whose hair has thinned and whose donor area has been damaged. This was an incredible challenge.
Using a high magnification camera, the doctors examined Chad's scalp.
You made hair transplant, after that you lost many hair.
His previous hair transplant in the United States had severely damaged the donor area,
Testosterone effect, probably.
while testosterone use had accelerated his hair loss. They were now facing a Norwood 7 patient with a depleted donor area.
But as long as he doesn't stop, the transplanted hair won't mean anything.
If it gets really good and you make him stop, the result will be better for the person.
He will keep using testosterone.
He won't continue. If he's built his body and is taking supplements for his body, those will still affect his hair. That's the reason for the hair loss.
What if he uses topical?
He definitely shouldn't use topical.
He can use topical, but we're also giving extra support because he's probably taking supplements for his body from outside. That's already what brought his hair to this state.
Do you take one every month, or how many milligrams do you take?
Once a week.
It looks like a simulation right now. I mean, even if he tries to simulate, he can't hit it.
All right.
So the wetness of the dye isn't bad. It's pretty dense. There's a lot of white. I mean, it might struggle a bit, maybe get it wet once or twice.
In total, we can do 6,500.
6,500 one day?
All hair for today, collecting and transplanting. And for tomorrow, he wants to make the beard and the chest.
So short hair and then the pigmentation, I should be good.
After a detailed analysis, the doctors chose a realistic, personalized treatment plan instead of making empty promises. To help Chad achieve the look he wanted, they decided to combine the hair transplant with scalp pigmentation.
I had a hair transplant back in 2018, but it was in the United States, and they didn't do a very good job.
When we examined our patient, we saw that his donor area was weak, and we told him that in addition, we would also use beard and chest hair. Today, we extracted about 6,250 grafts. The procedure will continue tomorrow as well.
Chad's hair transplant took 2 days, just as planned. But one question remained on everyone's mind. How many grafts had the team managed to harvest?
First, we were thinking of around 6,000 grafts, but we managed to reach up to
do 9,240 grafts on my head, as you can see. It was a big procedure, and they did a really good job because 4,000 grafts is what I thought I needed, but I needed much more, and you might too.
For Chad, this was never just about hair. It was about getting a second chance after a failed procedure. A total of 9,240 grafts had been successfully harvested and transplanted. Every hair transplant has a story behind it. See you in the next Human Story episode.